morning. Thank you to Brian's Juma Comedy. Brian Juma Comedy. Karibu top, karibu my fans, karibu kwa. If you join to my live, make sure you subscribe. Ukigama kwa my live, make sure unanitapia screen. You tap the screen, you like, you share. And our topic is Thanksgiving. Our topic. I'm giving you 10 minutes to come to my live. Make sure if you come, you say hi so that I can see if you are live. If I am clear enough to if I am clear enough so that you can hear me or my voice. Please. If you come, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you watch and you like our live. Karibu. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Cause in Kenya it is 10:20. Yeah, in the morning. Yeah. Whichever you are streaming, just say hi in the comment section. I will see and I will reply to your comments. So I am you are just in the comment section and I am live. Hopes if I am loud clear, just say hi in the comment section and you will I will see what to do. I'm just giving you 10 minutes to subscribe to our channel, to say hi, cause this is the first time I am opening my live. Yeah, this is the first day. Cause I opened YouTube channel. It was this month on date 2, but today is day 20. I have 64 subscribers. I want to thank you all because I come with this topic cause kuambia nini, asante sana. Whichever who's just mwenye ananiona, mwenye ako live, just okay, come say hi and I will answer you so that nijue niko loud enough, clear enough. Yeah. If you come to my live, just say hi. Whichever you are watching, say hi, and I will see on the comment section there.